How to use Workday application. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Workday app. Whether you are a new user, trying to navigate your way around, or just looking to make the most out of this handy tool, you are in the right place. So let's get started. First thing first, head to the Play Store if you are on Android and head to the App Store if you are on iOS and search for the Workday and download and install the app on your mobile device. Once you have the app installed, open it and log in using your Workday credentials. If you are not sure about your login details, check with the Workplace HR department. You can also use the scanner to scan the ID if you want to manually enter your organization ID. Now let's explore the app. The home page typically displays various titles or sections. You might find options like benefits, time off, or pay. Type on each title to access different features depending on your workspace is set up. You can use the app for various tasks. For example, you might request time off, view a schedule, or check your PCE tubes. Explore each feature to see what's available to you. Workday also allows to update your personal information. This might include contact details, emergency contacts, or even your direct deposit information. And there you have it. This is how you can use Workday app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching. I will see you again in the next video.